Okay, so you want to hear your Kindle read a book when you have not purchased the audio version. So this is very, very simple. We're going to go make sure your volume's turned up. You'll see it says system notifications. Let me hit it again and I'll drop it down. I'll turn the media all the way up for you guys. Then you adjust it on your end, of course. Choose a book. Oh, you saw me there. Okay, so the book is open right here. Tap it once and an option will open up. Okay, it's thinking. There we go. I tapped it and this option opened up down here. See this play arrow? Hit play.
Rob Porter, acting in that role, was a seasoned political professional. Until the story broke about domestic abuse allegations against him, very few people in America knew about this key position in the White House. A graduate of Harvard University
if you want
and a
to
Rhodes
stop
Scholar,
her,
Rob is the son of Roger Porter.
Hit pause. Okay, or you can also stop it by, let me start her again.
Porter,
Turning.
also Harvard.
If you turn the page, she'll stop reading. Then you can have her pick up again. You can choose pages this way. And then have her start. You always have to hit play.
Chapter 2, Against the Odds.
There's also speed. See the speed button? If I push that speed button, watch what happens.
Days leading up to the election, the media sketched the outline of Donald Trump's political obituary. He was a fluke candidate who would be trounced by Hillary Clinton, many proclaimed. Statistician, ABC correspondent, and editor of the influential 548.com website.
That's pretty fun. All right, so that's all there is to it. The Kindle will also read Word documents. So if you email documents to yourself, and you email yourself a document, you can have it read documents from your house. See that?
It knows that he would not be able to stop. Rather than let this realize haunt him any further, Tony looked up to see what Sarah was doing.
Right in the middle.
He met her eyes as she leaned against
so
the counter,
that's just a Word document from my house.
On the floor.
Anyway,
You okay?
y'all have fun.